Well, food cuisines or ingredients have a very strong emotion. It has a very strong emotion, mostly also reminiscent of your past or of your childhood. Well, this is one such recipe which is going to fill all those parameters. And this one is a recipe only and only for you. The name of the recipe, Kaju Makhana Gravy. Now, this is one such recipe which screams makhni in all its ingredients, but trust me, it is still not a makhni. It is going to give you that little bit of that flavor, little bit of a reminder of a classic makhni or a makhanwala, but it's not that. This is one of the quickest ways you can make a gravy for yourself, and this goes amazingly well with lots of things, but more on that later. For now, let's begin with pan frying kaju and makhana in mustard oil. Let's do that. Add some oil, kaju and makhana. Let's fry these two ingredients on low to medium flame for around 3 to 4 minutes so that they turn wonderful golden brown in color. Let's remove this. In the same pan, let's begin with some regular oil, and into this, before the oil starts heating up, let's begin with kasuri methi, a very unusual way of tempering. Some sliced onions. Before the onion slices now change its color, let's add in powder spices. In this case, red chilli powder, garam masala and turmeric powder. Remember, the flame at this stage needs to be an absolute low. Let's stir this for just a couple of seconds. And once the rawness is taken care of, time to add in homemade curd. Whack the flame on a complete high, and you'll see there's a lot of rogan that'll now take charge. Time to add in some salt and freshly made tomato pulp. Some sugar to kind of balance the flavor, and finally to this, some malai. Homemade, even better. If not, proprietary would do its magic. Let's stir this well and allow this to cook on medium to high flame for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now, if you see, this is beautifully bubbling and has also considerably reduced from its original volume. At this stage, let's add in our fried makhanas and cashew nuts. Let's give this a good mix. And now, let's allow this to cook on medium to low flame for around 5 to 7 minutes. Covering is entirely personal. Well, buttery without the use of butter, and makhni without really making makhni. Wonderful. In a couple of minutes, you get the most amazing, wonderful and a unique gravy that can go amazingly well with chapati, pulka, paratha, Malabar paratha, a luchi, or if I may add, even a radha ballavi. Make this for family, make this for friends, and let me know in the comment section how you like this. This is me, Varun Namdar, signing off. Bye for now.